Well, thanks for joining me today to walk through this 2026 Nautique GS22. The GS lineup is an all-around boat, so this boat is great for a little bit of everything. You got a great ski boat, great wakeboard and surf boat, or just want to drive around and hang out. This is also really good for that. You can see the nice metal flake along the side, gray tower, gray bottom. Just love this boat, one of my favorites. Got the NSS plate. We do have steer assist that we added to this one as well. Surf pipe, NCRS. Got the nice swim platform. Nice seats in the back of this GS22. So let's go take a look at the interior. All right, thanks for joining me aboard this 2026 GS22. Just like all our Nautiques, you've got the nice sea decking in the walkway, so you're not stepping on any of your cushions. You've got storage underneath both of these right here, and there is some supplemental ballast in there as well. Got the nice U-shaped seating. You have the pull-out middle bench with a backrest that pops up on both port and starboard. Up in the tower, we've got the 8.8-inch JL drivers up on top. We got the bimini, and then we have the new board racks for 2026. As we step in, you've got storage underneath the seat there. That's the pop-up seat. You got a place underneath there's the batteries, cup holders everywhere. You've got storage and a garbage can, another pop-up. You got a place for the heater, place for phones. There's cup holders. There is LED lighting inside the boat as well. And then when we come up to the helm, we've got the nice helm chair. Really hugs you when you're driving it. Digital throttle. This has got the PCM ZZ5 engine is standard now. And then you've got your touch screen right in here. You can control everything right from there. Really fun to drive this boat. Got a place for the garbage. And then when we come up to the GS22, you've got a nice big bow, big area up front to hang out. Again, cup holders, and then with Nautique of JL audio throughout the entire boat. Like I mentioned before, this is a wonderful all-around boat. Does a little bit of everything if you're still into skiing and wakeboarding and surfing and tubing and a little bit of everything. Easy to trailer if you want to trailer it. Typically fits in garages. The tower does go down, but it does go backwards along with the bimini, so easy to store as well. This boat's here at our Rogers location. Stop on by anytime or give us a call to set up a personal appointment.